Hey there guys, it's Cooking with Ash and Daz here with Ash, but as you can tell, I'm somewhere different. Where am I? I'm in my new house. Okay, so yes, let's have a quick look around. It's completely and utterly empty in here right now. Yeah, should we have a quick proper look around? Okay, so basically, dropping things. This is my kitchen, my new kitchen, so that's where my dining table is going to be. This is my work surface, it's got all this stuff. There's my, there's my phone mount for when I'm recording. That's where my cooker's gonna go. There's nothing there yet. More work surfaces, my lunch for today, my sink covered in paint. That's where the washing machine's gonna go, in that little hole over there. Okay, so I've got a much bigger kitchen. Much bigger kitchen. Look at the size of it. It is massive compared to my other kitchen. So let's put you back on your melt sausage. So yeah, just a quick video, basically to turn around and go, this is my new place. This is where everything is going to start commencing in the very near future. I'm just getting everything prepared and, you know, test fitting my camera to make sure that I've got some good angles in here for when I'm recording, and everything seems pretty sweet. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys, and I'll catch up with you in the very near future. So make sure you leave a comment in the future. So make sure that you subscribe. No. Make sure that you leave a comment. I want to see some comments on what you want to see in the future episodes of Cooking with Ash and Daz. Now that I'm in a new kitchen, bigger space, larger area, we can get so much more done. So please leave some comments. I want to see some comments on what you guys want to see in the near future. Make sure that you click the like button down here first. Click that little thumbs up button. That's what I want. Subscribe. And then click that bell for notifications. I don't know what. Yeah. Click that bell for notifications, of course. And as always, I'll see you next Tuesday.